Here we go.
Alright. This is for William. This is for Sebby.
Oh, another big one for me.
Let's see, I think this one's for Kyle.
No, that's William.
Yeah, that one's William.
This one?
No, I don't know. They all have names. They all have names.
Open it back. Open it. Kyle, come here.
Kyle, just get on the floor and start opening.
What are they, William?
Yes! A guitar! Yay! Daddy!
Sebby, open yours. Sebby, open it.
I can open it, Daddy.
William, turn the lamp on. All of them.